Range Rover Evoque internal A-pillars. They kind of annoy me on my black Range Rover because as you look at it, you can see this. I've got all black car, but I've got these white pillars on the inside of the windscreen. I've got the tinted windows at the side, so it all looks good. So I'm going to have a go in this video at upgrading these internal pillars here from the white ones to the black ones. Now, it may look a bit odd because I don't have a black headlining. Let's jump inside and have a look what we're talking about. Right, so these are the ones. I've just bought these second-hand off eBay. So we can see there's a little airbag thing here, and if we pop that open, we're going to have a bolt inside there. So if you buy them, make sure you've got the little removable airbag cover. You can see they're white plastic on the inside, so we can see we've got a clip here. So this is a fixing clip. This isn't a clip, that's just a guide pin. They've obviously put some tape over it at the factory. It's like a cloth tape to stop it vibrating, I think. This is interesting. You've got the little air duct there that must blow up to demist your mirror area on your window there. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. So we're going to have a look. Obviously that's for that side. There we go. Chuck that one in the back. They're both the same. Now we have got an airbag behind here, you'll see that, and that'll put a lot of people off, but I don't think it's anything to be too scared about. We're not really going anywhere near the airbag. Right, they're a bit dusty there. I'll give those a wipe when after I fitted them. So that's that. Same thing, yeah, just check you've got the clip there. Check if it's broken. Right, let's get on with it. Everyone get on with it. Right then. So there's the little thing there. Can you grab up the front there, George? And then I don't think you even need a trim tool. They don't seem that clippy. And then inside, you've got a Torx T30. So hold on, just have a look at my driver, George. I'll put it the right way up. So there you go. Torx T30 there. Is that focusing? Or is it, I've got it in a like bad light place, have I, George? There you go. Anyway, everyone can believe me. Right. And then the angle of the screwdriver is quite interesting. So I've got a little Torx. You want to sort of be parallel with the windscreen. You don't want to be too much towards you or too much back. And then, right, it's quite a long screw, this one. Well, wait till you can see the head of it coming, or you're going to drop it down the... You think it's out, and then I'm going to try and get my fingernail behind the head of the screw. Look, like that, to stop it falling away. And that's what we got. It's got one of those anti-loss washers. They're clever, those. Can't lose them. That's a clever bit of design, right? Right, get on with it. Right, so it's the clip is sort of that way. Let's take this window trim. So this door trim just pulls off like that. Let's take that out of the way. That'll make it a bit easier. And then I think we can just... Now the clip is about in the middle there. So I'm going to push... There we go. And then you've got to like come up this way because it's tucked in just behind the dash. There we go. So that's that one out, and there's my white one. Right, all looks the same, all looks good. Right, let's put that black one on and have a look what it looks like. Right, where did I put it, George? This one. There you go. Right, so let's have a look at the airbag while we're here. So this is the strap that retains the airbag, so when it goes off. Now you should have all this nicely curled up. It's a curtain airbag here. You should have all, if that's not there, your car's been in an accident and the airbag's been deployed. You got some other cables and stuff running down the back, but as you see, we're nowhere near the airbag. We're not pulling it or disconnecting it or doing anything to in any way upset the airbag. Right, so the first thing I've got to do is just locate that bottom end in. Ooh, let's get it. There you go, that just nudges in there. And then I'm going to line it up, and then we've got to... That's it. Make sure you can actually see from this side if you look. I won't show you on here, but you can see the end of that single thing. But I can feel there it's gone in. Give it a tap in. That's all in. And then we've got the screw that I carefully put down. Now, how do you think it looks? I don't think the black. I think the black with the black dash transitioning up there. I don't think that looks too bad, George. Do you?
Yeah, I think it looks bad.
You think it looks bad?
I'm not sure.
Can we do a YouTube poll, George? Do you know how to do that? Can we do a vote for white
Actually, if you look back at it with the steering wheel there
and the door closed?
With the door closed, it looks better.
It looks better.
Yeah.
You could change your mind, could you, George?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to screw that back. You guys don't want to watch me. Someone did ask me to do this video. It's useful if you want to route a cable to come up here and along here, maybe for a microphone or for a dash cam wiring. So someone said, could I do that? I can't remember who it was, but there you go. I don't get... If you do request to do a video, I do log them all. I don't get enough time to do them all, but we do try and do as many as we can. All right. So there we go. I've changed it on the front now. So as you look from the front on that side, you can see that I think it looks a lot better than this big white bit here. So there we go. Have fun with that. I like those. George isn't totally convinced. Good luck with that.